beside me, girl, you move so brightly. Keep it burning up.
Pause. I hope that is age and persuasion right there, you know. So I'm not for set here, you know. Cause you know how you gone from age and persuasion to shawty.
Love it when you're right beside me, girl, you move so brightly. Keep it burning up.
Yeah.
Keep it burning up.
Age and persuasion.
Girl, me want you burn for me, burn for me. Me love it when you twerk for me, twerk for me. Girl, it no matter if that early in the morning, darling, got us sprawling, make me push it all in. The way me strike you faster than
reaction.
What's the word to Mr. Boy Type? Let's say the reaction. Boss! Back in for another video for you guys. I'm going to hear the song called Burning Up by Denzi, straight out of Belize. Is the way I say. Well, go on. Pick up yourself from the Denzi. We got to entire Belize right now. If you're watching the reaction, boss, don't forget to check out the main channel at Tariq Vlogs, where I post the bangers. We have strippers, we have OnlyFans models, we have beer, fat, big batty kilometers with the tight pum pum. I got beer brawling. Go check it out. Tariq Vlogs. If you, we are 1,000 subscribers away from 60k. Go subscribe. Enough of that said, I get straight to the reaction right now. You can see what I'm going. Burning up. First of all, she make a mistake. I mean she for a FaceTime, not Denzi. So I don't know what go on there, so. Where you now call me? Pay your iPhone, what that? 10? Go on. So early in the morning. DJ Pro, pick up myself. Valentine's Day.
girl, you could tell me what you wanting.
Yeah.
Make you switch on it any way you like. And then me give you straight love until the morning.
Yeah.
When me push you a ball, girl, no bother with the crawling.
Girl, I can tell him how you want it. The man, so when you push your balling and crawling. Hold on there, baby. She look good. That's why I was shocked just now by her beauty. But let's go.
The morning, when me push you a ball, girl, no bother with the crawling, baby. What make you feel say you owe me? You got it tight, you must be lonely. You know, say me there feel.
What make you feel say what?
The crawling, baby.
Alright.
What make you feel say you owe me? You got it tight, you must be lonely. You know, say me there feel. I'm me.
Well, I just get what I say. She got it tight. That means that she must lonely. You see me I say it's so tight. She not get the pum pum sort up on a regular basis. You see me I say so she must lonely because she not no man sort out the pum pum for her.
The tight, you must be lonely. You know, say me there feel. I woulda never let you down. You make me say, baby.
It's a different girl that people.
And me woulda never let you down. You make me say, baby. You me love it when you go down on me, girl. You know you drive me crazy. Your loving hypnotize me, girl. You grip me tightly.
At them level like girlishness that me want the pan. If we make up words today, girlishness. At them level like girlishness me want the pan. A girl call me while a girl I call me there with I open my door for my blood.
Tonight you want me lady. Make your ball out, Jesus save me. The way me beat it up, you know me never lazy.
Sure.
Tell me love it when you're right beside me, girl, you move so brightly. Keep it burning up.
Pause. I hope that is age and persuasion right there, you know. So I'm not for set here, you know. Cause you know how you gone from age and persuasion to shawty.
Love it when you're right beside me, girl, you move so brightly. Keep it burning up.
Yeah.
Keep it burning up.
Age and persuasion.
Girl, me want you burn for me, burn for me. Me love it when you twerk for me, twerk for me. Girl, it no matter if that early in the morning, darling, got us sprawling, make me push it all in. The way me strike you faster than the lightning. Girl, pussy tight, and you get me excited.
Hold on, let me find her on Instagram and give her her Instagram. Hold on there. Tariq Vlogs. Go from Instagram, me write myself Tariq Vlogs on Instagram, but hold on there. Let me put on the blinds for that one here. Right. So how me I go find them? I go up on Denzi page first. Make sure no go up on girl mission now, no people. So go up on Denzi Instagram. See, go find Denzi on Instagram too. Go up on Denzi Instagram, right? You click on the video, bam! Right? Now we look who in tag in it. Read more. See them no special shout out too. Alright. See we are no big up rude boy. Me I find the girl them there for see. So let me see that one. I know say Kendrick shoot the video. Alright. No say I Perf post the video. I know that's on him and Randy. So that means say your girl Liddy. Alright, we find one. Hold on, people. People, what they say? Hold on, people. What they say? She follow me, I never follow her back. Me show no how go to work. Hold them. Her daughter look good, big up yourself, mama. Hold them. We not ramp. Hold them. Hey, hold on. Hold them. Hey, no ramp with me. We want the next one too. Hold on. What's your name? So, your girl, well, I can't pronounce her name, but see your girl Laide. That's her Instagram name. Go follow her on Instagram right now. Tell us the reaction boss send you over there. So, now we can find the next one. So, A.Ali, that's all. We can see what. Oh, Asian Persuasion. Am I already following Asian Persuasion? Yeah, we follow each other. Yeah, man. So, see her IG there if you don't want it. Go follow her on Instagram. Focus on the phone and stop ramping the reaction box before I shoot you. Alright, so I'm going to follow her. That's a fair IG. You see me? Focus for me. Yeah, man. Hold on. We can't. Hold them. Oh, see, same fit that we should have. Hold them. I'm like them one there already. Hold them. Like that one there already. Hold them. Oh, like that one there already. Hold them. What's up for hold them here? Hold them here too. Alright. Ja, Rasta for I. That's what I say. Trouble. Go on.
Me make you say I king. The way me do it make you know me have to wipe it. Type it. Nobody try spite me.
Yeah.
Just tell me what to do, my girl. Baby. You me love it when you go down on me, girl. You know you drive me crazy. You love it hypnotize me, girl. You hypnotize.
Miss Asian Persuasion. Watch me can't even see. Take off the glasses here, but down the fuckery. Oh Lord, the Miss Asian Persuasion. I did. Go on!
Tonight you want me lady. Yeah. Make your ball out, Jesus save me. The way me beat it up, you know me never lazy.
Alright, Kendrick, see ya.
Do me love it when you're right beside me, girl. You move so brightly, keep it burning up.
Hold on. I want to go back and watch that. You see cheat that's all. Listen, when me smack that I take a sound like this. Yeah, listen. I treat on the screen. One more. Yeah, man. So it take a sound, man. Mellow, firm, go on.
Move so brightly, keep it burning up.
Yeah.
Keep it burning up.
Yeah.
And got me while you burn for me. Me love it when you twerk for me. Twerk for me. Yeah, me love it when you twerk. Me want you take off your skirt all night long, it no matter if it hurt. Me know you're bad from the first time me and you a flirt. We ain't back when you used to go to church. Although you're bad, girl, me know your word. Me never come first. Beat up is something on the floor, make you squirt.
Beat up on the floor, make you squirt. For she got shirt a long time your body no baby. A long time your body no that girl you made that song for a long time she a body no. Long time she a body. Go on.
You know you drive me crazy.
Yeah.
You love it hypnotize me, girl, you grip me tightly. Tonight you want me lady.
Yeah.
You ball out, Jesus save me. The way me beat it up, you know me never lazy. Love it when you're right beside me, girl, you move so brightly.
out to Road Boy. Oh, Buckley. Shout out to Road Boy Drake. Mr. Master by Randy Sutherland. Big up myself for the Randy Sutherland. But shout out to Road Boy. Don't know a chap. Yeah, man. It's a good look for you. Big up on yourself. All I Belize, Russian boss there for 100%. You see me I say, go follow them beautiful females up on Instagram. I'm wanting to go stream that song. You see me I say, you sign up on DJ Perf channel, so go over there. No matter the thing. Drop a like, just one fire emoji over there. So people, if you go up on that song, if you not, I'm telling you that. If you're watching a video on YouTube and you want to support somebody but you don't know what to comment, just comment some fire emojis. And if you cannot comment on fire emojis, just comment the number 10. Just type 10 and comment 10. You see me I say? Simple 1 2 months. Anyway, it's been about Terry Vlogs, the Russian boss. So sign out here. Go follow my Instagram at Terry Vlogs. You see me I say? And subscribe to my main channel at Terry Vlogs. We're closing 60k subscribers right now, y'all. We feel we're 1k away. And we're gonna do it. My birthday is Friday, so let's get it by Friday. Peace.